Bonjour et bienvenue à l'atelier du français. Cette leçon s'appelle les jours de la semaine. Les objectifs de cette leçon. Apprendre à demander quel jour on est, apprendre à donner le jour qu'on est, et apprendre l'ordre des jours de la semaine en français. The goals of this lesson. Learn how to say what day it is, learn how to tell someone what day of the week it is, and learn the order of the days of the week. After this lesson and completing the supplemental activities, you will be able to say, Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Demain, c'est mardi. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Après-demain, c'est mercredi. The day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Après-mercredi, c'est jeudi. After Wednesday, it's Thursday. Après jeudi, c'est vendredi. After Thursday, it's Friday. Après vendredi, c'est samedi. After Friday, it's Saturday. Et après samedi, c'est dimanche. And after Saturday, it's Sunday. Les jours de la semaine en ordre avec l'anglais. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. And dimanche. Le vocabulaire de cette leçon. So on the left we have partie 1, which is comprised of 13 terms we will be going over during this lesson. On the right, partie 2 are some sample sentences that we will also see a bit later on. So, partie 1. Aujourd'hui, in English, aujourd'hui is the equivalent of today. Demain, tomorrow. Après-demain, the day after tomorrow. C'est is its or is, depending on the context. Quel can be what or which, depending on the context. Jour means day. And lundi is Monday. Mardi is Tuesday. Mercredi is Wednesday. Jeudi is Thursday. Vendredi is Friday. Samedi is Saturday. And dimanche is Sunday. Partie 2. Une manière de demander le jour. So one way to ask what day it is in French is On est quel jour aujourd'hui? Literally, the translation would be in English, we are which day today? But in French, it's On est quel jour aujourd'hui? What day is it today? To ask what day is it tomorrow, it can be On est quel jour demain? Literally, we are what day tomorrow? And here are some other ways to ask what day it is. D'autres manières de demander le jour. Quel jour est-ce? Quel jour est-on? And quel jour sommes-nous? Les façons de répondre. So in order to answer the question, what day is it? Here are 3 structures that you can use. C'est, on est, and nous sommes. C'est is literally it's. On est is one is or we are. And nous sommes is, of course, we are. Before we go any further, it's important to have a refresher of the verb to be, which in French is être. It's an irregular verb, the most used verb in the French language, and it's also the main verb in all of the sample sentences in this lesson. So let's get right into it. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il, elle, on est. He, she, it is. Please note that oftentimes the subject pronoun on is used as a synonym for nous. Nous sommes, which means we are. So next up is nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. And ils, elles sont, they are. For this lesson, I'm only going to focus on on est and nous sommes. Please take note that C apostrophe, c'est, can also mean it However, it is not part of the verb être, yet it does take the third person singular of être in its formation to make c'est, C apostrophe est, which means it is or it's. So we've already seen the list of 13 terms at the left, and now we're going to see a few of these terms incorporated into a French sentence structure to make the question, what day is it today? Grammaire. On est quel jour? A literal translation is, today it is what day, or today we are what day? However, in English, the equivalent translation is, what day is it today? Aujourd'hui est un adverbe, today is an adverb. On est un pronom et c'est un synonyme de nous. On is a pronoun and it's a synonym of we. Et, c'est le verbe être à la troisième personne. Et is the verb to be in the third person. Quel, c'est un adjectif interrogatif. So which or what is an interrogative adjective. And jour est un nom. Day is a noun. Now I'm going to address the questions posed earlier with replies. So par exemple, mercredi, Wednesday. On est quel jour aujourd'hui? Or aujourd'hui, on est quel jour? Either way works. A response could be, on est mercredi aujourd'hui. In terms of tomorrow, demain, on est jeudi demain. Some other ways of responding to on est quel jour aujourd'hui or aujourd'hui on est quel jour. You can also say c'est mercredi, on est mercredi, and nous sommes mercredi. Par exemple, dimanche, Sunday. So just a recap of the question, on est quel jour aujourd'hui? Or aujourd'hui on est quel jour? On est dimanche aujourd'hui. Today is Sunday. Which means on est lundi demain. We are Monday tomorrow, or as we would say in English, tomorrow is Monday. On est lundi demain. 3 other ways to answer the question, on est quel jour aujourd'hui? C'est dimanche. On est dimanche. Et nous sommes dimanche. Plus d'exemples. More examples. Aujourd'hui, c'est quel jour? Réponse, c'est lundi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Demain, c'est mardi. Après-demain, c'est mercredi. Après-mercredi, c'est jeudi. Après-jeudi, c'est vendredi. Après-vendredi, c'est samedi. Après-samedi, c'est dimanche. Et après-dimanche, c'est lundi. So, what day is it today? It's Monday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. The day after tomorrow is Wednesday. After Wednesday is Thursday. After Thursday is Friday. After Friday is Saturday. After Saturday is Sunday. And after Sunday is Monday again. Exemple 2. Quel jour est-on? On est mardi. Quel jour est-on? On est mardi. On est mardi. Demain, on est mercredi. Après-demain, on est jeudi. Après jeudi, c'est vendredi. Après vendredi, c'est samedi ou on est samedi. Après samedi, on est dimanche ou après samedi, c'est dimanche. Et après dimanche, c'est lundi. Or we can also say, et après dimanche, on est lundi. So this was just an example to show you the interchangeability of on est and c'est for this structure of les jours de la semaine. Exemple 3. Quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes vendredi. Nous sommes vendredi. Demain, nous sommes samedi. Après-demain, nous sommes dimanche. Après dimanche, c'est lundi. Après lundi, c'est mardi. Après mardi, c'est mercredi. Après mercredi, c'est jeudi. Et après jeudi, c'est vendredi. Et maintenant, c'est à vous. And now it's your turn. Par exemple, aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi. Demain, c'est vendredi. Après-demain, c'est samedi. Après samedi, c'est quel jour?
Dimanche.
C'est dimanche. Après dimanche, c'est lundi. Après lundi, c'est mardi. Après mardi, c'est mercredi. Après mercredi, c'est jeudi. Très bien. Excellent. S'il vous plaît, montrez ce que vous avez appris pendant cette leçon en mettant dans les commentaires les jours de la semaine commençant par aujourd'hui. Le format, c'est le suivant. In the comments below, please show that you've learned the days of the week in order. Begin with today's day and use the following format to complete the 7 days in French. Et pour encore plus de pratique, veuillez cliquer sur les liens ci-dessous pour jouer à des jeux de match et faire des exercices de l'audio. Bon courage!